Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find the REDnote app and you will enter. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. After that you will search about the application of REDnote. Then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.